Welcome to a new unit in this Excel course. This unit I'm going to talk about how we can integrate or generate drop-down menus for our Excel sheet. Well, before we can actually generate some kind of drop-down menu, we first have to write down the different options which can be selected in this drop-down menu. For example, imagine I will just give my user the possibility to select between yes and no. So there's only this limited option. That's actually the idea where I'm going to use this. This is if I only want to allow the user to select predefined options. So he cannot enter whatever he wants. He can only select predefined options. Okay, so we only have two options. We want to, here in this cell, for example, then generate a drop-down menu where he can select yes or no. So to do this, we go to Data, and in Data, we have this point Data Validation. This basically is used whenever we want to limit what the user can enter into specific cells. So here I click on Data Validation. At the moment it's at any value because I can enter whatever I like. If I now go down here to list, this actually means I want to have a drop-down menu. Then I only have to define at source where the options are situated. So here I'm selecting yes and no, those two cells. And I click OK. And I see I have here the symbol on the right, which signifies a drop-down menu. And if I click this, I see here my two options, yes or no. When I leave this, does not show that this is a drop-down menu, but as soon as it's activated, becomes an active drop-down menu, where I have to select one of the different options. And well, that's all there is already on this topic, because the idea was simply how can I generate drop-down menus? Well, maybe there's one final comment. What if I don't only want to have yes, no, but I want to integrate a maybe? So if I cannot just write this down and hope something magically changes here. So whenever I want to change this, I go back to the cell where my drop-down menu is, go back to Data Validation. It's already everything as I did this before. And well, I only have to change here my source to encompass yes, no, maybe. Click OK. And voila, it reads yes, no, maybe. So here it's pretty easy to actually add or even erase options from this drop-down menu. Well, as I said, that's already all there is on this topic. So if you want to see additional lessons, feel free to visit the rest of the course or have a look at the corresponding playlist. Well, see you and until next time.